Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is mixture separation technique and binary application. So موضوعنا لهذا اليوم هو كيفية فصل المزيج والتقنيات التي تستخدم في فصل المزيج في مصاف النفط والصناعات الكيميائية. I divide this topic in 4 parts. Today is the part number 1. So to understand this topic, or how to separate the mixture in oil refineries, what is the technique used in the separation of mixture in refineries and oil industry, we have to know first what is matter and what is mixture. So matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass, and it exists in different phases, and these phases can be transitioned from and to each other according to following process. This is the phase of matter or state of matter. So we have solid, liquid, gas, and plasma, 4 phases of matter. So it is transit from state to state. So what is the process called from state to state? So from solid to liquid, it is called melting. So the process is called melting. From liquid to solid, it is freezing. Also from liquid to gas, vaporization. From gas to liquid, condensation. From gas to solid, deposition. And from solid to gas direct without passing in liquid state, so it's called sublimation. So from gas to plasma state, it is called ionization. From plasma to gas, it's called recombination. هذه حالات المادة. حتى نفهم هذا الموضوع لازم نعرف شنو المادة وشنو المزيج. المادة هي كل شيء يشغل حيز في الفراغ وإلى وزن، وعنده وحدة من حالات المادة اللي هي أما تكون صلبة أو غازية أو سائلة أو حالة البلازما أو التأين، حالة التأين. وهذه طبعا تتحول أو تتغير من حالة إلى حالة حسب هذا. فإذا تحولت من صلبة إلى سائلة فهذه العملية نسميها عملية انصهار. ومن سائلة إلى الصلبة فهي عملية التجمد. من سائلة إلى الغازية فهي عملية التبخر. ومن الغازية إلى السائلة فهي عملية التكثيف. ومن الصلبة إلى الغازية فهي عملية التسامي. ومن الغازية إلى الصلبة الديبوزيت واللي هي الترسب. أيضا من الغازية إلى البلازما نسميها عملية التأين. ومن البلازما إلى الغازية هي عملية الاندماج أو إعادة الاندماج. المادة بشكل عام, the matter in general, is of two types, either pure substance or impure substance. Pure substance, either element or compound. Impure substance is mixture, and this mixture also either homogeneous or heterogeneous. So, element, what is element? Element, it is all the metals, all the element which is come in a periodic table. See this in the periodic table. There is from number 1, number 2 till 1 or 3. And also there is, this is which is known now, and there is about 11, it is till now unknown, but is not found in here in periodic table. So this is called element. Element is one atom which is contained nucleus and shell. And in the nucleus there is a proton and neutron, and in shell there is electron. And this periodic table is arranged according to atomic weight and atomic number. So this is like hydrogen is 1 proton and 1 electron. Here helium is 2 electron and 2 proton, then lithium, and so on till these all element. So element, all matter is composed of elements that are fundamental substance that cannot be broken down. هذه هي أصغر جزء بالمادة اللي هي ما ممكن كسرها لا بالطرق الكيميائية ولا بالطرق الفيزيائية. Element is defined as substance that can not further reduced as to simpler substance by ordinary process. Another definition of element, material that is composed of only one type of atom. So this is about element. What is compound? Compound is pure substance composed of 2 or more different atoms. 2 or more different atoms, chemically bonded to one another. That means that it cannot be separated into its constituent by mechanical or physical means and only can be destroyed by chemical means. For example, water. Water composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Ammonia, 1 atom of nitrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen. Hydrogen sulfide, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom sulfur. So this is called compound. This compound is composed of 2 or more elements, and each element is lose its original specification. So, for example, water, it composed of hydrogen and oxygen. See the properties of each one of these elements. Hydrogen is combustible gas, غاز سريع الاشتعال. Oxygen is support combustion. أيضا الأكسجين يساعد على الاشتعال. But when it's combined together, it become water. Water is used to distinguish the fire. عندما يتحدن مع بعضهن راح تتغير الخواص وكل يفقدن خواصهن ويجي المركب بخواص جديدة. فالهيدروجين هو قابل للاشتعال، الأكسجين يساعد على الاشتعال، لكنه من يتحدن ويصير الماء يستخدم لإطفاء الحرائق، وهكذا for كل المركبات الموجودة بالطبيعة. Now we come to the mixture. Mixture is material containing 2 or more elements or compounds that are in close contact and are mixed in any proportion. For example, air, seawater, crude oil, and other things. The constituent of mixture can be separated by physical means. In the preparation of mixture, energy is either evolved or absorbed. Mixture has no definite melting and boiling point. The constituent of mixture retain their original set of properties. For example, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide and magnet attract iron filling. So المزيج هو يعني مجموعة مركبات نخلطها مع بعض، لكنه كل مركب يحتفظ بخواصه الأصلية ليس مثل المركب. كل مركب هنا يحتفظ بخواصه الأصلية ليس مثل المركب، أو الإليمنت أيضا يعني المادة نفسها أو العنصر نفسه يحتفظ بخواصه الأصلية. والمزيج الجديد أيضا ممكن فصله بالطريقة الكيميائية أو الطريقة الفيزيائية، يكون سهل طبعا الفصل مالته. وطبعا المزيج ما يكون له نقطة غليان أو نقطة انصهار محددة مثل المركب. ناخذ أمثلة على الميكستشر، المزيج. We take example about mixture of different type. So either solid in liquid mixture, liquid in liquid mixture, gas in liquid mixture, gas in solid mixture, or gas in gas mixture, or solid in solid, or liquid gas. 3 phase. So we take the first example, solid in liquid. So like sugar and coffee, or sugar with tea. Okay, this is a general example. In oil industry also we have example like salt in crude oil. All crude oil have salt. There's salt inside crude oil. So liquid in liquid of 2 types, either miscible or immiscible، يعني ممتزج أو غير ممتزج. يعني أمثلة على الخليط إن قلنا إحنا إذا كان صلب مع سائل مثل الشكر مع القهوة أو الشكر مع الشاي. وبالصناعات الكيميائية الملح مع الكرود اويل مع النفط الخام. بالنسبة للسائل مع سائل عندنا 2، ممتزج وغير ممتزج، miscible and immiscible. المسبل لايك وتر ان ميلك، بنخلي ماي مع الحليب راح نشوفه ممتزج كله مع بعض. لكن ايضا كرود اويل consists of hydrocarbon compound، عدتها يعني بميثان بإيثان بروبان بيوتان هبتان هكسان، هذه كلها بالكرود اويل، فاذا ممتزجات مع بعضهم. لكنه اكو نوع ثاني نسميه immiscible. The other type is immiscible like water and mercury or water and oil. This is immiscible، ما يمتزجن مع بعضهم because it's not mixed together. It make 2 layers، upper layer and lower layer, and there's line between them. That line called interface line or interface level, which is separate the 2 compound between the 2 compound. So like water and oil. So the other mixture, gas and liquid, like soda or hydrogen sulfide dissolved in liquid oil. This is solid, gas and solid in liquid. So gas and solid like air entrapped by in soil. الهواء الموجود بالتربة هذا غاز موجود بالجسم الصلب. أو الهيدروجين in steel، أو يعني الهيدروجين اللي يدخل داخل الحديد أيضا يسبب انتفاخات، لأنه هناك راح يتفاعل مع الحديد ويكون غاز الميثان بسبب انتفاخات وضعف بالأنابيب النفطية. أيضا gas and gas. This is another type of mixture, like air containing hydrogen and nitrogen and oxygen. And also there is hydrogen and carbon monoxide and other gases. In industrial also we have hydrogen sulfide H2S with natural gas. There is solid metal alloy, like metal alloy, solid and solid, like carbon steel. There is carbon and there is iron, so it makes carbon steel. This is solid and solid mixture. Or also in refinery there is catalyst with ceramic bore. Liquid and gas mixture, like crude oil, three-phase. Like crude oil, it comes with natural gas and with water. So also mixture is divided into type, either homogeneous or heterogeneous. This prefix homo and hetero. Homo mean sameness, means similarities. Hetero means difference. عندنا المكسشر ينقسم إلى قسمين، أما متجانس أو غير متجانس، وهذا اللاحقة أو الكلمة هذه البريفكس تعني أنه التشابه اللي تجي قبل الكلمة تجابه. فهوموجينيوس يعني متشابه، مواد متشابهة فتمتزج مع بعضها وما يبين عليها فرق. الهيتروجينيوس لا، اللي ما تمتزج مع بعضها ويبين الفرق واضح بين المكونات اللي موجودة بالخليط نفسه. Now we come to the technique which is used in oil industry to separate these mixture, because there is different type of mixture. يعني in refineries we deal with crude oil نفط الخام, we deal with air الهواء, and we deal with water. So all of these is mixture. Crude oil is mixture of hydrocarbon compound. Also hydrocarbon compound with salt. Also there is another impurities like sulfur compound, nitrogen compound, nitrogen compound. There is also salt, there is also mud, there is another thing, solid materials. All this in crude oil. Need to separate it. Also we need water. Water, there is also some impurities in water, like hardness, temporary hardness, like salt, like suspended solid, like other things. So also we need air. We deal with air. Air is also containing nitrogen and oxygen. So need nitrogen for burning, for all activities in refinery. How to separate it? How to separate? Also air contain solid material like dust. So all these need technique to separate this type of mixture. So the first type of technique is three-phase separator, and this is the first step used in after production of crude oil. يعني after production, after taking the crude oil from the well, it's sent to the three-phase separator. الوعاء بالثلاثة أطوار، وعاء العزل بالثلاثة أطوار اللي يفصل لنا الكرود أويل عن الوتر عن الغاز. الوركينج برنسبل، مبدأ العمل لهذا الآن of the three-phase separator is based on the density difference of water, oil and gas. لأنه الكثافات مختلفة, difference in density between these three phases, so it is separated. So the gas goes up, then the water and oil is come down, and there is wear here, there is the inlet of crude oil, and there is buffle here, okay, inlet diverter to change the direction of the flow. It come all here, the gas goes up and water and oil comes down. There is buffle here or wear, which is used for overflow when the level because here two layer. This is the water layer and this is oil layer. Because water is more dense than oil, so it become down and oil is come up. So by overflow, the oil again accumulated here and the water come here. So under level control, we can release the oil here to other process, and we release the water here also under level control to other process, other treatment. And the gas also under pressure control sent to other process. Here only relief valve or pressure safety valve. So this is the first technique used in oil industry for separation mixture. The other technique also, as we said before, that crude oil containing salt. This salt is calcium chloride, sodium chloride, and magnesium chloride. And all these is harmful to equipment in refinery, for it is make deposit in heat exchanger tube, and also deposit in the furnace tube, and also make corrosion in the top of columns and the system of overhead of column, the pipeline and condenser and water cooler and the reflex drum. So need to separate this salt. How it is separated? Separated by desalting process or by desalter. Desalter is vessel or equipment used to remove salt from crude oil. قلنا احنا الكرود اويل او النفط الخام يحتوي على املاح، هذه هي املاح الكالسيوم، املاح المغنيسيوم، واملاح الصوديوم، وهذه الاملاح تسبب تآكل وتسبب تجمع او تراكم في انابيب المبادلات الحراريه وانابيب الافران، وايضا تسبب تآكل لانه راح تصير لها هيدروليسيس، يعني تتحلل وبعدين تتحد مع الهيدروجين وتكون لنا HCl اللي هو حامض الهيدروكلوريك، وهذا حامض الهيدروكلوريك يهاجم المعدن في اعلى البرج عندما يوصل للديو بوينت، وطبعا حتى نحمي اعلى البرج لازم نتخلص اول مره من السلفر. اكو طرق اخرى بعدين نجيها بطريقه الدستليشن، لكنه اهم خطوه هي انه شلون نتخلص من السولت او هذه الاملاح. نتخلص من الاملاح عن طريق الديسولتر او مزيل الاملاح. هذا هو الديسولتر، عباره عن وعاء. هذا الوعاء طبعا يجي النفط الخام هنا، وطبعا احنا النفط الخام يحتوي على ملح. The crude oil is contain salt. So but this salt is not free salt. It is not dissolved in crude oil, but dissolved in water and become as emulsion. So need to wash this salt by water, pure water. So we inject pure water. Here crude oil is come here under this flow control, and then water injected here, pure water injected here. So this is called wash water. And this is, inshallah, will come in details, explain it in detail in the desalter topic, which is separate topic. There is also a mixing valve here to mix, well, mixing water and crude oil, and this come to the desalter. Here desalter, this is the vessel. There is based on density, when the water is reached this vessel, so the water goes down and the crude oil goes up. There is also transformer here for electric field, and also here before it's come there is injection of demulsifier agent chemical to break down the emulsion, and then the water is the oil come from down, crude oil, desalted crude oil, and the water from down, this is with salt, and the crude oil goes up, which is free of salt. So either one stage or two stages salt are used in refinery or in crude oil treatment. So this is two stage. This is side view of desalter, side view, and how the water is come down and the oil is goes up, and there is emulsion global here. And then it is separate also, and we explain what's the purpose of transformer and demulsifier and the topic of desalter later. So this is the end of our topic today. We'll see you in the part 2 later. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you later. Thank you very much.